Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Volkswagen Polo 2018 to 2022? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems.
Engine compartment fuse box.
The engine compartment fuse box in the Volkswagen Polo 2018 to 2020 houses high amperage fuses that protect key systems like the ABS, cooling fan, ECU, and starter motor. It ensures safe power distribution to essential engine and safety components. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2021 to 2022 Volkswagen Polo MK6 is responsible for protecting and distributing power to essential systems such as the engine control unit, ABS, starter motor, ignition coils, radiator fan, and various sensors. It contains high amperage fuses and relays that ensure the reliable operation of critical engine and safety components. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Volkswagen Polo 2018 to 2020 contains fuses for electrical components within the cabin, such as the infotainment system, interior lighting, air conditioning, and power windows. It also protects circuits for safety features like airbags and the central locking system. This fuse box ensures that all in-cabin electronic systems receive appropriate power while maintaining protection against electrical faults. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2021 to 2022 Volkswagen Polo M6 manages and safeguards a wide array of in-cabin electrical systems. It includes fuses for components such as the infotainment system, USB ports, climate control, seat heating, adaptive cruise control, rain and light sensors, and the anti-theft alarm system. Additionally, it oversees circuits for door control units, steering column electronics, and various driver assistance features, ensuring reliable operation and protection against electrical faults.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.